Here at Crystal Vine, we ensure every drop of our white grape juice is brilliantly clear and perfectly delicious.
Welcome to the Crystal Vine factory. Here, our grapes are blasted by hundreds of high-pressure water jets and spinning brushes, ensuring they are perfectly clean.
This is the balloon pressing method, the hallmark of high-end manufacturing. The inflatable expands slowly, ensuring
The glowing bright crystal clear liquid is rapidly heated to exactly 195 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is the ultimate mouth-watering experience of the Crystal Vine white grape juice.
And that is the extreme precision, freshness, and passion it takes to craft the world's most crystal clear beverage.
If you were amazed by how this delicious liquid gold is made, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now for more incredible food factory tours.